A very good morning, everyone. This is the beautiful world of science and technology. This is Suryavanshi Ullas from University Public School, Aurasya, Jani. I welcome you all for the next part of nutrition in a plant. In the last session, already we discussed some basic items from this chapter. So now in this chapter, we discuss about what is the meaning of nutrition and what are the importance of nutrition for a living organism and modes of nutrition. And the last one concept is photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? And why it is very useful for plants. So let's start today's session. So in this session, we first discuss about the what is the meaning of nutrition. न्यूट्रिशन का मीनिंग क्या होता है ये हमें डिस्कस कर लेना है. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स. प्लांट में न्यूट्रिशन का क्या रोल है, वो किस तरह से रेडी हो जाता है, एंड व्हाट आर द मेन रोल ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन द प्लांट लाइफ. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन? द प्रोसेस बाय विच ऑर्गेनिज्म obtain and consume their foods is called as the nutrition. न्यूट्रिशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है, इस प्रोसेस के माध्यम से अर्थ के ऊपर जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो अपने फूड को किस तरह से ऑब्टेन करते हैं, किस तरह से उसको यूज करते हैं, कंज्यूम करते हैं, उसको हमें क्या कहना हो तो न्यूट्रिशन कहना है. सो न्यूट्रिशन इज अ प्रोसेस. इन दिस प्रोसेस ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म obtain and consume their food is called as the nutrition. So nutrition ये क्या होता है? क्रिया है, एक प्रोसेस है. इस प्रोसेस में approximately 7 billion animal species are available on the earth. For each and every living organism require nutrition for the continuous of life. हर एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को अपना लाइफ कंटिन्यू जीने के लिए, रहने के लिए उसको क्या बोलते तो न्यूट्रिशन की जरूरत पड़ती है. Each and every part of our body is mainly depending upon the energy and the nutrient that is obtained from the food. Understand? So nutrition play very important role in the living organisms life. Understand? So what is the meaning of nutrition? The process by which all living organisms obtain and consume their food is called as the nutrition. Write down the process by which organisms obtain and consume their food. Obtain and consume their food is called nutrition. Listen, the process by which organism obtain and consume their food is called as the nutrition. Understand? अब हम पढ़ेंगे modes of nutrition. So living organism show two modes of nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition and next one is heterotrophic nutrition. जितनी भी अर्थ के ऊपर जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो दो प्रकार के मोड्स को दिखाते हैं. एक है अपना ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन, नेक्स्ट वन इज हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. लिसन, नेक्स्ट वन इज मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. Mode of nutrition. Now see, so living organism show two modes of nutrition. Living organisms show two modes of nutrition. two mode of nutrition. One is ectotrophic. First one is ectotrophic, and second one is heterotrophic. So there are two modes of nutrition. One is ectotrophic nutrition, and next one is heterotrophic nutrition. Listen. Now see one by one. अब हम एक एक करके हर एक मोड्स के बारे में क्या करते हैं, डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्टोट्रॉफिक. एक्टोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन जानने से पहले हमें ये जान लेना जरूरी है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्टोट्रॉफिक. एक्टोट्रॉफिक वर्ड्स का क्या मीनिंग होता है ये हम डिस्कशन कर लेंगे. Now see, to understand, there are two modes of nutrition. One is ectotrophic mode of nutrition, and next one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Let's see. So, what is the meaning of ectotrophic nutrition? First one now, ectotrophic nutrition. Ectotrophic nutrition. So people starting ectotrophic nutrition. What is the meaning of ectotrophic? Ectotrophic nutrition जानने से पहले हमें ये जान लेना बहुत जरूरी है कि ectotrophic का मीनिंग क्या होता है. ध्यान में रखो. So ectotrophic word is divided into the two part. ध्यान में रखो. This one is ecto and this one is tropic. So what is the meaning of ecto means self, and tropic means nourishment. Listen. So what is the meaning of a trophic? Nourishment. Nourishment means खुद करना. ध्यान में रखिए. Ecto means self. Trophic means nourishment. Understand? So ectotrophic word divided into the two parts. One is ecto and next one is trophic. Ecto means self and nourishment. Understand? Trophic means nourishment. Okay. Now see. Now discuss about the ectotrophic nutrition. क्या है? The mode of nutrition in which organism make their own food from simple substances is called as the ectotrophic nutrition. So it is a mode of nutrition. In this mode, organism prepare their own food with the help of some simple substances is called as the ectotrophic nutrition. Understand? And this mode of nutrition is mostly found in the green plants because they prepare their own food. Hence, green plant is called as the ectotroph. ध्यान में रखिए. Why green plants are called as ectotroph? Because on Earth's surface, only one green plants prepare their own food. अर्थ के ऊपर जितनी भी लगभग 7 मिलियन जो एनिमल स्पीसीज है उनमें से ग्रीन प्लांट ही खुद के फूड को वो खुद क्या है बोले तो प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं. इसलिए उनको क्या कहा जाता है? इसको कॉल्ड एज द एटोट्रॉफ. दैट्स व्हाई ग्रीन प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज द एटोट्रॉफ्स. अंडरस्टैंड? सो एटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन आर मोस्टली found in only green plants because green plants prepare their own food with the help of some substances. That's why green plant is called as the ectotrophs. Listen. So ectotrophic nutrition is the mode in which living organism prepare their own food with the help of some substances is called as the ectotrophic nutrition, and this nutrition is mostly found in green plants. That's why green plants are called as the ectotrophs. Answer me. I don't know. The mode of nutrition in which the mode of nutrition in which organisms make their own food from simple substances from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Is called autotrophic nutrition. Listen, the mode of nutrition in which organism make their own food from a simple substances is called as a autotrophic nutrition. Now see, this mode of nutrition, this mode of nutrition is found in green plants, and so they are called autotrophs. Listen, this mode of nutrition is mostly found in the green plants. That's why green plants are called like the autotrophs. Listen, what is the meaning of autotroph and what is meant by autotrophic mode of nutrition? तो फिर से ध्यान में रखिए, autotrophic is a mode of nutrition in which organism prepare their own food with the help of some simple substances is called as autotrophic nutrition. This mode of nutrition is mostly found in green plants. That's why green plants are called as the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Understand? Next one, see, the mode is a heterotrophic nutrition. Next one is a heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic. Next one now see. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now see. What is the meaning of heterotrophic? अब ये जानने से पहले हमें ये जानना जरूरी है what is the meaning of hetero and trophic. तो hetero का meaning क्या होता है ध्यान में रखो. Hetero means order and trophic means nourishment. What is the meaning of hetero? Hetero means order and trophic means nourishment. Understand? Now see, what is meant by heterotrophic nutrition? So what is the meaning of the mode of nutrition in which organism cannot make their food and depend on other animals for food is called as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Understand? The mode of nutrition in which organism cannot prepare their own food and depends on other animal for food is called as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. इस मोड में जितने भी ऑर्गेनिज्म आते हैं वो खुद का फूड क्या हो तो खुद क्या है प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पाते हैं, वो दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म के ऊपर क्या हो तो डिपेंड रहते हैं, उसको हमें कहना है हेटरोट्रॉपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. अंडरस्टैंड? Such organisms are called as heterotrophic. Example: non-green plants, human beings, and the animals. Human beings, animals, directly or indirectly depending upon the plants. Understand? What is the meaning of a heterotrophic mode of nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organism cannot prepare their own food and depend on other animal for food. Such mode is called as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And those organisms coming from this mode is called as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And such mode is mostly found in the non-green plants, human beings, and the plants. Understand? So write down heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition a mode of nutrition in which organisms cannot make their own food, and depend on other organisms for food is called heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Listen. Now see. Non-green plants, animals, and human beings. Human beings are the example of in heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Listen. What is meant by heterotrophic mode of nutrition and what is the meaning of a heterotrophic mode of nutrition इसके बारे में हमने डिस्कशन किया. Understand? So for your exam you must be write what are the difference between the heterotrophic mode of nutrition and the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Understand? So now go. The next one concept is a photosynthesis process. Next one now see. So what is the meaning of a photosynthesis process? Photosynthesis process. So what is the meaning of a photosynthesis? Food making process in a plant. Food making process in a plant is called as the photosynthesis process. ध्यान में रखिए. जो फूड में रेडी करने की जो प्रोसेस है, प्लांट में जो फूड रेडी करने की जो प्रोसेस है, उसको हमें क्या करना है तो फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ photosynthesis. Now see, the process of making or synthesizing food from water and the carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is called as the photosynthesis. ध्यान में रखिए. The process of making or synthesizing food from water and the carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is called as the photosynthesis process. Understand? Food making process. ध्यान में रखो. Food का क्या है? Food making process in a plant. Understand? So what is the meaning of a photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process. In this process, all green plants making or synthesizing food from the water and the carbon dioxide with the help of chlorophyll and the sunlight is called as a photosynthesis process. Understand? The process of, write down, the process of making or synthesizing food from water, and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Is called photosynthesis. The process of making or synthesizing food from water and the carbon dioxide in the presence of a chlorophyll that is present in the leaves of a plant. Understand? Chlorophyll that is present in the leaves of a plant. Chlorophyll and sunlight is called as the photosynthesis. Understand? Okay, now see. So with the help of a diagram, we explain the photosynthesis process. तो डायग्राम के माध्यम से और रिएक्शन के माध्यम से उसको क्या है समझने की कोशिश कर लेते हैं. Now see, photosynthesis process. Now see, photosynthesis is represented as follows. Next one, photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis is represented as follows. Carbon dioxide, plus water in the presence of chlorophyll and the sun. Chlorophyll and sunlight gives glucose and oxygen. Glucose and oxygen. Now see. So with the help of equation, we easily understand photosynthesis process. The process of making or synthesizing food from water and now see. The process making food from carbon dioxide and water with the help of chlorophyll, with the help of sunlight. सर जो ग्रीन प्लांट में क्या हो तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के माध्यम से और वाटर की मदद से एक फूड क्या है रेडी करना किसके प्रेजेंस में इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ chlorophyll that is present in the leaves of a plant and the sunlight. So is called as the photosynthesis process. Now see, so with the help of a diagram we easily understand. डायग्राम के माध्यम से हम क्या करते हैं इसको फोटोसिंथेसिस को क्या है रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Okay, now see the photosynthesis process. Now see. So plant prepare their own food from water and the carbon dioxide. प्लांट अपना क्या बोलते तो फूड क्या रेडी करते हैं किसके माध्यम से वाटर एंड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ सनलाइट एंड द क्लोरोफिल दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द लीव्स. सो क्लोरोफिल ट्रैपिंग द सनलाइट. क्लोरोफिल क्या करता है सनलाइट को क्या करता है खींचता है उसको ट्रैप कर लेता है. करने के बाद वो क्या करता है ग्लूकोज एंड ऑक्सीजन. वो क्या रेडी करेगा ग्लूकोज एंड ऑक्सीजन. अंडरस्टैंड. ये अपना एक ट्रीज है यहाँ का उसका एक पानी है. पानी के मदद से और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर की मदद से वो क्या करता है सनलाइट और क्लोरोफिल के प्रेजेंस में वो क्या करता है फूड को क्या करता है रेडी करता है. उसको हमें कहना है फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस. अंडरस्टैंड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर in the presence of chlorophyll and the sunlight gives the glucose. एक क्या मिलता है इसका हमें glucose and oxygen. So this process is called as the photosynthesis process in the green plant. इस प्रोसेस को हमें क्या कहना बोलो तो photosynthesis process in the plant हमें इसको कहना है. Understand? Now see site for photosynthesis. Now see site for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in the leaf, therefore all the raw materials must reach to the leaf. Now see photosynthesis process mostly occur in the leaf, therefore all the required raw materials must be reached to the leaf. ये फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस कहाँ पर होता है बोलो तो लीफ में होता है. उसको लगने वाला जितना भी रॉ मटेरियल है वो क्या हो तो लीफ में क्या बोलो तो ट्रांसफर किया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ xylem and the phloem टिश्यू दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट. प्लांट में जो दो प्रकार के टिश्यू रहते हैं एक रहता है xylem और नेक्स्ट रहता है phloem. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ सी कंडीशंस नेसेसरी फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस विल बी डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. उसके जितनी भी कंडीशंस क्या क्या रिक्वायर्ड है. फर्स्ट वन कंडीशन इज क्लोरोफिल सनलाइट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड स्टोमेटा वाटर. नाउ सी so four conditions are required. One is chlorophyll, next one is sunlight, water and the carbon dioxide stomata are the necessary conditions are required for the photosynthesis process. photosynthesis process करने के लिए कौन से कंडीशंस की जरूरत पड़ती है इसके बारे में हमें क्या बोलो तो अगले क्लास में हमें क्या करना है डिस्कशन कर लेना है. अंडरस्टैंड. सो इन दिस सेशन वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड what is the meaning of a nutrition and what is the role of a nutrition in the each and every living organism on the earth surface. And next one हमने डिस्कस किया the mode of a nutrition. There are two kinds of mode of a nutrition. One is a autotrophic mode of a nutrition and next one is a heterotropic mode of a nutrition. And what is the meaning of a photosynthesis process in the green plant, how it is occur, and what is the role of a photosynthesis process. So we know that only one green plants prepare their own food and remaining all the living organisms in the universe are directly or indirectly depending upon the plants. अर्थ के ऊपर जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है प्लांट को छोड़कर वो सभी डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली किसके ऊपर डिपेंड्स है तो प्लांट्स के ऊपर डिपेंड्स है. दैट्स व्हाई प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज द autotrophic mode of nutrition. That's why nowadays we must be save trees, maintain of our ecosystem balance. आज हमें हमारे इन्वायरमेंट को संभालना है, उसको सुरक्षित रखना है. सो इसलिए हमें क्या करना है, ट्रीज को बचाना क्या वो तो बहुत क्या है जरूरी. इट इज आवर ड्यूटी. ये हमारा एक धर्म है, एक हमारा एक कर्तव्य है कि हमें क्या करना है, ट्रीज को क्या करना है, सेव करना है. बिकॉज ओनली वन organism on the earth surface prepare food. It's a plant. Okay, we'll stop here. We will continue on the next session. Stay safe, stay indoors from Municipal Public School, Aura, Sharjah.